Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2015 Ford Escape Titanium. Stock number is 17F1237B. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end you have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. We're going to take a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of a button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escape on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.